Hello, everyone. This is my work for interrogative activity, first and second language. First of all, what is language? We all know that language is learned through natural process starting from birth and occurring through exposure to language in the child's environment, primarily within family. Language is a principal method of human communication consisting of words used in a structured and conventional way and conveyed by speech, writing, or gesture. Language is a reflection of the mind and the circumstances in which it's acquired, the environment, the people, the culture, the beliefs, people's attitudes, and the like. People who share a common linguistic code attempt to establish connections so that cultural understanding, based on cooperative principles, may favor the relationship between a speaker and a listener in order for communication to take place. So, what is second language? Second language is a language spoken in addition to one's first language, also known as mother tongue or native language. What is the role of first language? The first language plays an important role while learning another language. The mode of thinking and acquiring in L2 is highly affected by the rules in L1. So, what is transfer? When we process information and output using L2, this information was firstly deposited in L1, and that has a strong impact of the result coming out in L2. And this process is called transfer. Transfer happens when a learner uses elements from their native language when learning a new language. Transfer can occur in several aspects, such as pronunciation, grammar, word, syntax, and even culture. We have two different types of transfers. We have positive transfer and negative transfer. Positive transfer, when L1 features are similar to L2 features, they can simplify the learning process. For example, English and Spanish share some vocabulary and grammatical structure. Let's say when we see a word like family, that is really similar to Spanish, which means familia. Negative transfer, when L1 features differ from L2 features, they can lead to errors and difficulties in learning. For example, English and Spanish have different pronunciation rules and word orders. For example, in English, the adjective goes before the noun, and in English, adjective goes after the noun. Thank you very much.